Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss what type of content performs best on YouTube. YouTube is a huge platform with millions of videos, so it can be challenging to stand out. However, certain types of content consistently perform well. Let's explore what kinds of videos tend to be successful on YouTube. 1. How-to and tutorial videos. People often go to YouTube to learn something new, how to cook a recipe, fix a leaky faucet, or use a new software tool. If you can teach your audience something useful, they will likely watch, like, and share your video. Why it works. These videos solve problems and provide value to viewers, making them more likely to attract an audience. 2. Product reviews and unboxing. People like to watch videos where others review or unbox products. This could be anything from the latest smartphone to a new makeup product. These videos help viewers decide whether they should buy a product or not. Why it works. Viewers trust the opinions of others and often watch these videos before making a purchase. 3. Entertainment and comedy. Videos that make people laugh or entertain them in some way are always popular. This could be anything from funny skits, parodies, challenges, or even cute animal videos. Why it works. Everyone loves to be entertained, and these videos often get shared, which helps them reach a larger audience. Vlogs. Vlogs are videos where people share their daily lives, thoughts, or experiences. This content is often more personal, and viewers enjoy feeling connected to the person behind the camera. Why it works. Vlogs create a sense of connection and allow viewers to feel like they're part of someone's life, which builds loyalty and keeps them coming back. Gaming. Gaming is huge on YouTube. People love to watch others play video games, whether it's for tips, entertainment, or to see the latest games in action. Why it works. Gaming content attracts a large and passionate audience. Gamers often watch videos to improve their skills or just for fun. Educational content. Videos that teach something or dive deep into a topic are also popular. This can include anything from science explanations to history lessons or even deep dives into a particular hobby. Why it works. People enjoy learning new things, and YouTube is a great place to find educational content that's both interesting and easy to understand. Top 10 lists and rankings. These videos present information in a quick, easy-to-digest format. Whether it's the top 10 movies of the year or the best smartphones on the market, viewers enjoy getting the best options listed for them. Why it works. These videos are concise, engaging, and often provide valuable insights or recommendations. Challenges and trends. Participating in popular challenges or trends on YouTube can also boost your video's performance. These videos often go viral and attract a lot of attention. Why it works. Viewers love to see how different people approach the same challenge, and participating in trends can make your content feel fresh and relevant. While different types of content can perform well on YouTube, the key is to create videos that provide value to your audience. Whether you're educating, entertaining, or simply sharing your experiences, the most successful videos are those that resonate with viewers and keep them coming back for more.